Welcome to this beginner-friendly lesson. In this video, you learn the core ideas step by step, using simple language and clear examples. By the end, you should feel much more confident about the topic and be able to follow the concepts without feeling overwhelmed. Take your time with each slide, and if needed, pause the video to think about each idea before moving on. Understanding this topic is important because it appears in many real-life situations, from everyday tasks to more advanced projects. When you know the basics, you can recognize common patterns, avoid frequent mistakes, and communicate better with others who use these ideas. Learning now gives you a strong foundation, so that later, when things become more complex, you do not feel lost. Think of this video as your starting point on a longer journey. Before going deeper, it helps to learn a few key terms. First, you have the main concept, which is the central idea the rest of the lesson builds on. Second, you have supporting ideas, which are smaller pieces that help you understand how the main concept works in practice. Finally, you have examples, which show how these ideas appear in real situations. As you listen, focus on how each term connects to the others, because that connection is what makes the topic easier to remember. Now look at the topic as a simple process made of a few steps. The first step is to understand the goal, or what you are trying to achieve. The second step is to identify the input, which is the information or material you start with. The third step is to apply the core idea, which means using the concept to transform the input. The final step is to look at the output, or the result, and check whether it makes sense. Thinking in steps like this helps reduce confusion, especially when you are learning something new. Many beginners struggle with the same kinds of mistakes. One frequent mistake is trying to memorize everything at once, instead of understanding the reasoning behind each idea. Another mistake is ignoring small details, like definitions and simple rules, which later cause bigger confusion. A third mistake is feeling discouraged when something does not make sense immediately. Remember that learning takes time. Focus on one idea at a time, look for patterns, and do not be afraid to replay parts of the explanation until the concept feels clear. To make the topic feel more concrete, imagine a simple practical example that uses the main concept in a real situation. Start by describing what you have at the beginning, such as some basic information or a simple problem. Then see how the main idea from this lesson can be applied step by step to reach a useful result. Pay attention to how each step follows logically from the previous one. This kind of example helps you build intuition, so that the topic is not just theory, but something you can recognize and use in everyday scenarios. At this point, you have seen the main concept, the key terms, and at least one simple example. Now it helps to connect everything into a clear picture. Start by repeating the main idea in your own words. Then, mentally walk through the steps you saw earlier, from the initial goal, through the process, and to the final result. Notice how the terms and rules you learned support each step. When all of these pieces feel connected, the topic becomes easier to remember and much less intimidating. To wrap up, quickly review what you learned. You started with a high-level view of the topic, then explored why it matters, learned key terms, saw a step-by-step process, and walked through a simple practical example. If something still feels unclear, that is completely normal for a beginner. The best next step is to review the parts that feel confusing and try to explain the main idea out loud in your own words. With each repetition, your understanding becomes stronger. Thank you for watching, and continue exploring this topic at your own pace.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.